नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 10वीच्या गणित भाग 1 मधील चॅप्टर नंबर 3 पाहणार आहोत. टुडे वी आर लर्निंग द 10th स्टँडर्ड सब्जेक्ट मॅथमॅटिक्स पार्ट 1. चॅप्टर नंबर is 3rd, arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression there is a sequence. Sequence means as a number sequence. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. This number is continuously we wrote here. And suppose 13 position of 13 or 12. Which number is that one? 12 means 12th number. 13 means 13 number. Means it's a natural number. It's coming one by one. This is a sequence. But in another example, we can write 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and 36, 49. In these number, the difference is 1. Difference between two numbers is 1. But in these sequence, there is no difference same. Here the difference is 3. Here is 5. Here is 7. Means difference are the subtraction, its difference is another one. This is a sequence, but these are not a sequence. Is a square number. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, and 4 square is 16. Like this. These are the square numbers, and this is a sequence. These are the square numbers. Its subtraction is not definitely correct. It is a different types of subtraction. If these two number subtraction is 3, these two continuous number subtraction is 5, here is 7, like this. If these are the sequence, we can take another example. Suppose starting from 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. See, there is a number, its sequence, and each two numbers, the subtraction is only 2. 9 minus 7 is 2, 11 minus 9 is 2, and 13 minus 11 is 2, and it's 15 minus 13 is that subtraction is also always 2. I mean, this is a perfect sequence. Different this one means here that the difference is 2. Here that difference is 1. Means it's called a sequence. These two examples is called a sequence. Sequence means a set of numbers. These are the set of numbers. The set of numbers where the numbers are arranged. This is the arrangement of number. This is the arrangement of number. 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. These are the arrangement of numbers in an infinite order. Means there is not completion. I wrote there 3 dots. Means etc. There is not a complete of this order of a sequence. Here is also not a full stop. Here is not a completion of a order of a number. Means infinite order. 3 dots means infinite order. Again number is coming. Again number is coming. Means infinite order like these natural number. These are the natural number. Is odd number, natural number. This is the natural number. These are odd number, and this number is called as a sequence. sequence. Like this numbers is called a sequence, means it's arranged infinitely. It's arranged infinitely. There is no complete number. There is not a dot. The sequence is not completed. It's coming again and again. या ठिकाणी असणाऱ्या या नैसर्गिक संख्यामध्ये त्या संख्येचा शेवट नाही. तिथे संख्या ह्या थांबत नाहीत, अजून आहेत, सांगतायत. या 3 डॉटचा अर्थ याच्या पुढे अजून संख्या आहेत, म्हणून याला सिक्वेन्स असं म्हणतात, श्रेणी असं.